All right, today is assembly day for the Temu budget rebuild. There you see the gaps. They actually line up perfectly. All right, let's start assembling it. Okay, these are the tools that you need. 1mm, you need a T45 torque bit. Now, lubrication, very crucial. Or get your own stuff, like I got some old motor oil in there to lube up all this, because this is an important part of the assembly that rusts out always, so you always keep that well lubed and it's fine. Now nuts and bolts, now screws. It originally came with one of these, but there was only one and someone used these, so I went ahead, went to the hardware store and got brand new ones like so. All right, let's get assembling this. Now, this comes right off. Snake the latch right in there. And just like so. Now, when you put this on there, always make sure these clips are open. That's where your rod goes. See how that one's closed? Make sure it's open. That's what's supposed to happen. If it doesn't happen, you did it wrong. Or something's bound up. Now, to put the rod assembly in, it'll say left or right. Always make sure you put it on the right side. Put it on the wrong side, well, it's not going to close. So, snake her on in here like this. Unless your rod is disconnected, then you got to put it in. And that's just a J-hook assembly. Take your cable and just tighten it down. Like so. Now you take the cable, put it right in there. Just like that. Now, you see where the marks are, where it's already been? That's the area that you want. You don't want the rusty areas. So you push that down like that, and there you go, snaps right in place. And now that side is good to go. All right, gonna assemble the other side and bring you guys on back. Okay, let's see how she shuts. Perfect. All right, now assembly of, what do you want to call this? Shield, panel, whatever you want to call it. Just remember to save these, because when you get this from Temu, it does not come with anything. You just get the tailgate. So if you got anything busted, order it up on Temu and it'll come there. But I have not found this part on Temu yet, but maybe the Chinaman's working on that. I don't know. Ones you need to put on are these ones right here. If you do not have the protective bed liner cover, then you put all of them in there. But I do, so I know that this one is the one that I need to put in. The other ones are all held in with the cover. I didn't even notice that. Chinaman screwed up. He didn't even drill and tap this hole. Well, that's okay. 3 will hold it together because the rest of them are all going to be held in by the bed liner cover. All right, there we go. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's it. So, if you guys like this channel, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.